Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about how to decide faster. 1. Simplify your choices. Having too many options can overwhelm you. Focus only on 3 to 5 of the best alternatives. Tip: apply the rule of 3 to narrow your choices down to the top 3 before deciding. 2. Define the criteria. Set clear standards for what makes a good decision and organize thoughts with a basic pros and cons list. Tip: create a scorecard to rate and compare your options based on what's important to you. 3. Trust your instincts. Your intuition is quick to process. Balance logical analysis with gut feelings. Tip: do a 5-second gut check. What's your immediate reaction to each option? 4. Be time conscious. Deliberation comes at a cost. Consider how much time to reasonably spend on a decision. Tip: use a timer to create urgency and limit overthinking. 5. Practice decisiveness. Taking action fuels progress. Decisive people tend to gain momentum and confidence. Tip: strengthen your ability to decide by starting with small, low-stakes choices. 6. Combat indecision. Procrastination often leads to missed opportunities and stress. Making a decision is often better than delaying. Tip: set deadlines for decisions and stick to them to stay on track. 7. Assess opportunity costs. Reflect on what you are missing out on by not deciding. Think about potential benefits you could gain instead. Tip: ask yourself, what's the best thing I could be doing right now? 8. Base it on logic. Gather the facts and analyze data objectively. Look for metrics that matter. Tip: identify 2 to 3 key pieces of information that will have the biggest impact on your decision. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.